looking at some numbers in JavaScript. So let's start with some strings. So let's start with car is a string, and we call this car BMW, for example. So this is a string, and just to make some clear, we can have in a string a mixture of characters and numbers, but the fact that they're in quotes would make them strings. So we can have like this, that, and something strange, and this would work. Okay, and if we do type of to check its type, you would see that this is in fact a string. Okay, so quotes, strings. Let's take a number. Alright, this number is a string. 50 here is a string. Okay, type of number, string. Okay, so let's change 50 into a number for JavaScript. Let's remove these quotes, and now we have type of num is number. Okay, so that's okay. Let's make num1 10, and let's make num2. Let's make num2 10 as well, and let's have a num3 as 50. Okay, so we have numbers, and in JavaScript we can do stuff with numbers. We can do addition, subtraction, we can do multiplication, and we can also do division, right, using these arithmetic operators. Right, so if we do, let's do num1 plus num2. Okay, so give us 20. Alright, let's do num1 plus num1. What do we have? 20 also, because num1 is 10, and num1 is 10, so 10 and 10 is 20. Likewise, num3. Okay, that's clear. Let's divide num3 by num1. What do we have here? Okay, 5. Okay, let's multiply num1 by num2. See what we have here. Should be 100. Right, and that's all good. So we have arithmetic operators, plus, minus, divide, and multiply. Right, and also let's say we want to, okay, let's do something like let's say, okay, let's give num a new value. So let's say num is equal to num2 plus 10. Right, num is equal to num2 plus 10. So num2 is 10, and we are adding 10 to num2, and we are making this num1. So then num1 should be what? Should be 20. Let's check. Num1 is now 20. Alright, similarly we can also, let's say we need to just like add 1 to num1. So num1 plus 1 should be 11. Right? But there's an easier way of doing this in JavaScript, and we have like a shorthand operator. And if we have a variable which is a number, and we just do plus plus like this, it would increment the variable by 1. Would increment the variable by 1. So num1 is now 11. Okay, num1 is now 11 because we did num1 plus plus on it. Whilst similarly we can decrement. We can bring it down by 1. Alright? In this case, it comes from 10 to 9. So these are our arithmetic operators in JavaScript, the regular ones that we know from math, as well as a couple shorthand operators.